With all the hate I got on my last video about using canned beans, I am attempting to make some Instapot black beans today. Never made these before, but let's make them together and see how they turn out. First up, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a jalapeno pepper. Well, let's just say that was a mess. And then you just want to go through your beans and make sure you pick out any rocks or pieces that aren't supposed to be in there. After you do that, go ahead and give them a good rinse. Let's get our Instapot out, and we're gonna add everything we chopped up, our beans, and 6 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, some pepper. Give this a good stir. Go ahead and place your lid on, set your valve to sealing, and then do pressure cooker for 25 minutes. Now that it's done a natural release for 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and press this to venting and just let the rest of the pressure release. All the pressure is released. I'm gonna remove the lid and we are going to see if it turned out together. Actually, it looks really good. I'm gonna give them a stir, but there we go. I'll put this full recipe in the description below and then join me for more recipes.